Hi! In front of me is REALME X7 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now click on sound and vibration over here, and then click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. After that, click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch vibrations by swiping left or right. After that, click on sound mode, and over here you can select vibrate by clicking on it. This way you will mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Now scroll down, click on ringtone over here, select vibration and pick one of the vibration patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also disable vibrations by tapping on no vibrations over here. Then click on more sounds and haptic, and over here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!